First, I'd like to apologise about the quality of the audio. I am at home and I don't have my good camera set up, and I still have a bit of a cold. So this is the result of 2 days retrobriting with the 65XE. I used a mixture of the crystal clear and the cream. It was hard to keep the keys facing the right way with the crystal clear in the bag. So after about a day, I changed it over to cream, and I didn't have it in the bath. So it was just the light with the cream on the case and the keys, and I left that for like another 7 or 8 hours. Probably could do with a few more hours, but it looks pretty decent. So we can see all of the keys match now pretty much. Those function keys look really nice. That corner still has a little bit compared to the rest, but for what I'm going to do with it, I'm really happy, and I don't think I'll bother doing any more. One of my new things that I brought is this Uno card A8, and that just takes an SD card. It's really easy to use. Works with all 8-bit Atari systems. Comes up with a nice menu, and also has long file names as well, so it's easy to find what we're looking for. Simple as that. Let's have a quick blast on this. Doesn't get any easier, but it's such a good game when I had it on the Atari VCS. So anyway, that is the end of the work that I'm going to do on this 65XE. Everything is now working. It looks a lot cleaner than it was before. I've got access to like all the cartridges and all the software that I would want on the S Drive Max. I put a new belt in the tape. I managed to find an original tape. It just doesn't work very well, but this one works perfectly. And for how much I'm going to use it, I'm not going to spend any more time and money on it. So this is the end of my 8-bit Atari adventure and my first restoration project. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you watched all of the other videos in this series. My next one is going to be Commodore 64 restoration. Parts are on the way, so that shouldn't be too long. Again, thank you for watching.